residue-free, clean, honest, professional. Stone division. We would like to walk you through a limestone polishing. As you can tell, this floor hasn't been professionally cleaned or polished in quite some time. The stone is dull, grout is dirty, and the floor is badly etched. The term etching is when natural stone containing calcium comes in contact with an acid. The etching shown here was caused by an over-the-counter household cleaner. After sweeping up all the dry particulates and taping off furniture, the polishing begins. We use water with a gentle polishing compound. This brings back the shine and luster of the stone. It also removes minor scratches and effectively polishes the floor. After each polishing, we rinse and neutralize with cold water. We also use a special squeegee head made strictly for stonework. This is the floor after one pass. Keep in mind the stone is still wet. The brilliance of the limestone is already starting to be restored. Look at the shine and reflection. Also pay attention to the clean grout lines. We at the Residue-Free Stone Division are true stone restoration artisans. All stone work is done by our fully trained and licensed technicians. Here is the finished product. The beauty of the limestone floor has been fully restored. Call today for a free demo and quote 949-436-7768.